House keys, car keys, finally, hands-free. Introducing Keys Now, the world's first and only fully automated key-cutting machine that makes both house keys and car keys. This revolution in retail key replacement requires zero expertise to operate. Customers view availability and pricing on a touchscreen. Your employees only assist them when they're ready to make a purchase. Other machines require your employees to operate powerful metal cutting saws that require constant manual adjustments to avoid cutting errors known as miscuts. Keys Now is different. It's as easy to use as a microwave oven. Just 3 easy steps. Open the door, insert the key, and stand back. Keys Now does the rest. For decades, car makers have had a virtual monopoly in automotive key replacement. Retailers have struggled to offer modern car keys because of difficult-to-use manual key-cutting machines. Not anymore. Breakthroughs in key technology and robotics have finally combined to reveal the next big thing in retail key replacement. Now your customers can replace high-dollar modern car keys at your store without the time, expense, and hassle of a dealership service appointment. Be the first retailer in your channel to offer car keys made instantly with the world's first and only fully automated car key cutting machine that makes house and car keys. Keys Now. Schedule your virtual demo today.